Hi guys, how you guys are doing today? Hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another video, another Shopify tutorial where I'll show you guys how you can add inventory status on your product page. And I'm also going to show you guys how you can change the text on inventory status text. And I'm also going to show you guys how you can display that text differently for every single product with a simple and easy to learn tutorial. So make sure to watch the complete video and don't forget to subscribe the channel, which will help us create more valuable content for you guys. So guys, as you can see on my screen, I have this status showing up which says 45 in stock. First, what I'm gonna do, I'll show you guys how you can add this block, and then I'm gonna show you guys how you can change this in stock text to whatever you want to write it here, right? And then I'm gonna show you guys how you can do that differently on every single product. So if you want this text to be different on every single product, how you can do that really easily. By the way, I have created multiple tutorials. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel where you will learn how to add this circle menu. I've already created a tutorial. You can add slider on your product page just like I have it here. You can have customized collection swatches and this % discount off badge, which is also animated. So make sure to subscribe this channel and learn all of this different tutorial. By the way, if you're looking to increase sales of your store by adding a volume discount or tier discount feature, we have created a very affordable Shopify app for you. All you have to do is just search for BBD discount Shopify. And that's our app, big bulk discount. I'm also going to add the link in the description. So with this app, you can add a feature through you can incentivize your customer to add more product to the cart. So in this case, as you can see on the screenshot, if someone adds 2 products to the cart, it's going to get 10%. Someone adds 3 products to the cart for the same product, it's going to get 20% discount. So it's a great way to add volume or tier discount feature on your store. So make sure to check that out. Very affordable, just $1.99 a month, and free trial is also available. So you can try it out for 7 days. If it helps you get more sales, you can carry on with the app. Otherwise, you can simply install. So make sure to check that out. Okay, now let me show you guys first how you can add this in stock thing, right? So I'm going to go to the back end of my store. Click on online store. And then click on customize. And here from this drop down, select the product page template. So I currently have only one product page template. You might have multiple product page templates. So I'm just going to add that on default product. In here, let's change this product to the one which we are seeing here. So that's the product. And here you can see that it's showing this in stock. This is coming from this inventory status. So all you have to do is just click on add block. If you're not seeing this here, add block, and then add in inventory status. We already have it here, so it's not showing up. So if I delete this, you can see it's removed. And if I click on add block now, I have this option to add inventory status, which will show the inventory status here. And now there's no option to change the text in the default settings. Oops, let's click on save. Now if I click on this inventory status block, I have this option here which shows me how to add custom inventory text, which is the added feature which I'm going to show you guys how you can add. By default, it doesn't show up here. So let me show you how it shows up by default. So I am going to open the backend of a store again and then go back to themes. Click on online store. And then install a fresh Dawn theme so I can show you guys how it looks on default. I have added some code customization to show this custom inventory text, and you won't be seeing this. And how you will be seeing this, let me show you. And then I'm also going to show you guys how you can add this custom text feature on your inventory status block. Okay, now let's click on add to add the fresh dawn theme, which is 15.2.0. Guys, while this theme is being installed, Shopify has rolled out a free trial for just $1 a month. So if you want to have your store for just $1 a month, make sure to use the link in the description. If you're new to Shopify and you don't know if you will be able to sell product or cover up the Shopify subscription, you can have Shopify store running for just $1 a month using the link in the description. So make sure to check that out. Okay guys, our fresh dawn theme has been installed, which is 15.2.0. And if I click on customize and open that in new window, now let's go to the product page template. Here's the product page template. And let me add inventory status to this product page template, clicking on add block and then inventory status. Okay, I'm gonna show this below the pricing. Okay, so it's not showing anything because it's sold out. So let's click on inventory status. And here you can see that we don't have the custom inventory status text option. So if I go on this theme here, you can see that we have the option to enable the custom inventory text. And if I enable this, I can display this text and replace the default one, right? And it's gonna display this text on all of the products, but we can also display this only on one single product, and we can also pull this value from the meta field. So it will show different text on inventory status text for every single product, right? I'm also going to show you guys how you can do that, right? So first, let me show you that what information it displays here. So it says 45 in stock, and this is pulling up from the backend. So if I open the backend of this product, so that's the product. And here, if I scroll down, you can see that we have 45 available for this variant. And if I change the variant, it's going to change the in-stock value as well. So you can see for the blue color t-shirt, we have 10 left. And for the purple color, we have 3 left, 5 left. So it changes as per the variant, and it's stored in the backend of your store. So here's how it's stored. You can also change the value of quantity available by just checking mark here and then click on bulk added. And here you can see that it's showing up the available quantity, and you can simply change it by adjusting it. So if I add it -5, it's going to adjust it. Then click on save. It's going to reflect same on the product page as well. Now you can see that it's showing 40 in stock, right? So that's how you can change the quantity and display the inventory status text on the product page. Now, what if you want to change this in stock to something else? Let me show you how you can do that. So let's go to our theme section. And here, click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit default theme content. And from here, click on products. And from here, you can see this inventory in stock show count. And here's the text which we can customize. So I'm just going to add buy now in order to see if it works. So let's click on save. And then wait for a few seconds. And then go to product page and hit refresh. And now you can see that it changes the text here. Similarly, we can do for the low quantity. So here it says low stock, 3 left. So we can just change this low stock to hurry up, buy now, buy now. And then if I hit save and then go back to the product page, you can see that it shows low stock, hurry up, buy now, 3 left, right? And this is working globally. So if I open up any of the product, Let's see this one, for example. You can see that it's showing the same text now. It's showing quantity here from this variable quantity, and then in stock dash buy now, in stock dash buy now, and it's working for all of the product. But what if you want to add the text differently for every single product? That I'm going to show you how you can do that with a little bit of code customization. So let's walk through how we can do that. So I am going to now publish the theme, the fresh theme which we installed, and that's the fresh theme. So let's click on publish and then click on publish again. Perfect. Our fresh dawn theme has been installed. Now let's refresh and see how our product page looks like. Let's close the preview here. Okay, so that's the dawn theme, and let's open up this product. So this one is sold out. So I'm gonna open up the product which is in stock. Let's say this one. So here's how it looks by default, right? It doesn't have the inventory status text. And first we are going to add that. So let's click on customize. I'm going to close the additional tabs here, and then open up the product page template, just like I showed you guys before. And then let's click on change here to find the same product. Okay, now let's add in the inventory status block and show it up below the pricing. Okay, perfect. It's showing up now. Let's click on save. And then let's open up our code editor. Click on these three small dots and then click on edit code. Guys, before editing the code, make sure to have a duplicate of your theme. In case you mess up anything, please don't blame me, because I'm warning you to have a backup of your theme, because you might add up code wrongly, or you might have other apps which is conflicting with the code. So make sure to have a backup of your theme. In case anything goes wrong, you can easily revert it back. Okay, now let's search for main-product.liquid file. And in main-product.liquid file, we will search for when inventory. So that's the code block which we will search for, and we will replace all of the code just above when description. So that's the code which we will replace. I'm just going to remove this code, hit enter, and go to this blog here. By the way, this code and instructions will be in the YouTube video description. So it's free of cost. You don't have to sign up to any newsletter, or you don't have to pay anything for this code. You can simply click on the link in the description, and which will take you to this, where you can see that it's telling you go to main-product liquid file and find inventory and paste the below code. Now this is the code which needs to be replaced with the following code. So I'm just going to hit copy code button here and then paste it. Perfect. Now scroll down to the schema settings, and here are our schema settings. And in schema, I'll search for type and inventory. Oops. So here what we will search for, and after this square bracket, hit enter, and then go back to our instructions where we have the code. You can see I have also added the screenshot where you need to add the code. So just type inventory and add code just after this square bracket, and that's the code which we will be adding, right? So let's copy this code here and then paste it and then hit save. Okay, once the code is saved, now if I go back to my customize and hit refresh here, and now if I click on inventory status block, I have this option to enable and display the custom inventory text which I can add here. So if I enable that, it will now show this text on all of the products and for all of the quantity items. So click on save, and if I hit refresh, it's going to show the same text for all of the products. And it's good if you want to add the FOMO effect, which is like fear of missing out. So it's like gonna persuade your visitors to add it quickly and get it to the sales real quickly. You can read more about the FOMO effect. It's really popular thing. It's like fear of missing out. When you miss a sale or something like that, you have this regret inside you, which makes you take action quickly, right? So you can have this feature, but it's not it doesn't make sense to show the same text for all of the products, right? Now what we're gonna do here, we will map the meta field here so you can add in for every single variant, right? So here we have the option to connect dynamic source, and we are going to add a custom field, a meta field, through which you will display this text. So let's click here and then click on add meta field, and let's open that in a new window, and I'm going to add it inventory text. You can name it whatever you want. I am naming it as inventory text. Select type to be single line text and then click on save. And once it's saved, and now if we go back here, you can see that we have this inventory text field, and we are simply going to add that and remove the custom text from here, and then let's click on save. Now it's going to pull up the information from the meta field. Now all we have to do is just go to any of the product and then add in the meta field value. So let's open up the product which we are on, and here we have this meta field, which is inventory text. 4 left only, buy now. And now if I go to that product, it's gonna show me that text which I have added using the meta field. Okay, we didn't save it. Okay, Nike top men's, yep. Let's open up that product again. Where's the product? And you can see that it's now displaying the text value from that meta field which we added. Now we can have it showing differently on different products. So if I add for this leather case, do we have anything here? Okay, we don't have anything here. So I'm just gonna go to that product. Add in text, 2 left, buy now quickly. Hit save. Then hit refresh. It's gonna take some time to display here. Are we on the right products? Yes, we are on the right product. Okay, it's showing up now. 2 left, buy now quickly. So that's another way how you can do that. And guys, if you want me to add in more features to this tutorial, like if you want me to add the feature to change the icon or any other feature which you might have in your mind, let me know in the comments below and I'll create updated tutorial for you. And that's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.